Hey there, welcome to this channel. Today, we're going to discuss 10 effective ways that can help you learn how to start talking in English. I'm here to help you with your English. I'm a non-native English teacher who speaks English almost fluently. So what keeps us from getting started? Let's begin. No. 1. Learning to speak English transforms lives. It opens up new opportunities for education, work, and travel, allowing us to connect with people from all over the world. However, many people fear making mistakes when speaking English, especially if they have a limited vocabulary or have never studied grammar formally. Others are just too shy to speak. Regardless of the reason, it's understandable that some people may find it difficult to start talking in English. Don't worry, my dear students. You'll get there. Just practice regularly and don't be afraid of making mistakes. With time, you'll feel more confident and fluent. No. 2. Start by listening to English. Listening to English helps us to familiarize ourselves with the sounds of the language. We can familiarize ourselves with different phrases and expressions and learn how to pronounce words correctly. When we listen to English, we can also learn about different accents and dialects, which can help us to understand people from different parts of the world. There are many ways to start listening to English. You can listen to music, watch movies or TV shows, or simply tune into an English radio station. Whatever you do, make sure to listen to a lot of English. The more you listen, the better you'll become at understanding the language. And trust me, the results will amaze you. No. 3. Talk with your friends. Speaking English with your friends is a great way to improve your English skills. When you speak English with your friends, you can practice using different phrases and expressions. You can also learn about different accents and dialects. When you speak English with your friends, you can also learn about different cultures. This can help you to become a more well-rounded individual. If you don't have any English-speaking friends, you can always find someone online. There are many websites and apps that allow you to connect with people from all over the world. So don't be shy. Find someone to speak English with today. No. 4. Don't worry about using fancy words. When you're first starting out, don't worry about using fancy words. Instead, focus on using simple words that you know how to pronounce correctly. As you become more confident, you can start using more complex words and phrases. It's important to remember that it's not the words you use that matter most, but how you use them. Even if you only have a few words in your vocabulary, you can still communicate effectively if you know how to use them correctly. So don't worry about sounding smart when you're speaking English. Just relax and enjoy the conversation. That's what matters the most. Number 5, read it aloud. Reading English aloud is a great way to practice your pronunciation and fluency. When you read English aloud, you have to focus on the sounds of the language. This helps you to improve your pronunciation and also train your ear to recognize different sounds. Additionally, reading English aloud helps you to improve your fluency. As you read, you have to think about the rhythm and intonation of the language. This helps you to sound more natural when you speak English. Finally, reading English aloud is a great way to improve your vocabulary. As you read, you'll come across new words and phrases. If you don't understand a word, look it up in the dictionary. Then use it in a sentence. Reading English aloud is a great way to improve your English skills. Try it today and see the difference it makes. Number 6. Journaling. Journaling is a great way to practice your writing skills in English. When you journal, you can write about anything you want. Just let your thoughts flow onto the page. You don't have to worry about making perfect sentences. This is your time to relax and enjoy writing in English. Journaling can help you to improve your grammar and punctuation. Additionally, journaling can help you to improve your vocabulary. As you write, you may think of new words to use. Look those words up in the dictionary and then use them in your writing. Finally, journaling is a great way to practice your spelling. If you're not sure how to spell a word, look it up in the dictionary. Then use that word in your writing. So start journaling today and see how much you can improve your English. Number 7. Think in English. Thinking in English is a great way to practice your English skills. When you think in English, you're forced to use the language constantly. This helps you to improve your grammar, pronunciation, and fluency. Additionally, thinking in English can help you to improve your vocabulary. As you think, you may come across new words that you want to use in your conversations. Look those words up in the dictionary and then try using them in conversation. Finally, thinking in English can help you to improve your confidence. The more you think in English, the better you'll become at using the language. So start thinking in English today and see how much you can improve. No. 8. Set small goals. Setting small goals is a great way to stay motivated when learning a new language. When you set small goals, you're more likely to achieve them. This gives you a sense of accomplishment and makes you want to keep learning. Additionally, setting small goals helps you to focus on one thing at a time. When you're learning a new language, there's a lot to focus on: grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and culture. If you try to focus on everything at once, you're likely to get overwhelmed and give up. But if you set small goals and work towards achieving them, you'll be more likely to succeed. Finally, setting small goals helps you to track your progress. When you're learning a new language, it's important to track your progress. This helps you to see how far you've come and motivates you to keep going. If you set small goals and achieve them, you'll be able to see your progress clearly. So set small goals for yourself and celebrate your achievements along the way. No. 9. Talk to yourself. Talking to yourself in English is a great way to practice your conversational skills. When you talk to yourself in English, you can practice using different phrases and expressions. You can also learn about different accents and dialects. When you talk to yourself in English, you can also learn about different cultures. This can help you to become a more well-rounded individual. Number 10. Talk with native speakers. Talking with native speakers is the best way to learn a language. When you talk with native speakers, you get to hear the language spoken exactly as it should be. You also get to practice your conversational skills. Native speakers can help you correct your mistakes and also provide you with new vocabulary and expressions. Finally, talking with native speakers can help you to learn about the culture of the country. This can help you to become a more well-rounded individual. Most native speakers are very happy to help you learn their language. They enjoy sharing their culture with others and are often impressed by your willingness to learn. So don't be shy. Find some native speakers to chat with and learn English quickly and easily. So these were 10 ways on how to start talking in English. Learning a new language can be a daunting task, but it's also an incredibly rewarding one. With dedication and hard work, you can become fluent in English. Remember to be patient with yourself and enjoy the process. It's a journey, not a destination. English is a beautiful language that can open doors to new opportunities and experiences. With a little effort, you can be on your way to fluency. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you won't miss out any future videos. Also, if you enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.